is a way that you can make coffee when you travel on your own without carrying around a coffee maker. You just need hot water in a cup and whatever you like in your coffee. Okay, so this is it here. I've washed it and I've put my coffee in there. It's on top of my cup. And this is the coffee I'm doing. Decaf medium ground, low acid coffee. Okay. So I have our hot water here. Let's try pouring it. I'm gonna let it do its thing. And we're gonna wait maybe about a minute and check it. Okay, let us check it. Oh, that is our coffee. Here are our grounds, still steaming. Okay. Let's see if it's easy to clean. And this is, and this can be also placed in the dishwasher. So that's it, it's clean. Now we're back to our cup of Joe here. That'd be a nice cup for someone. I'm gonna add cream to it and give it a taste. Okay, I poured some of it out because I don't want to drink that much. I like more cream than coffee. This is the creamer I'm using. Almond-free, sweet and creamy. Made a good cup of coffee. So if you guys want to try this out, I will link it down below. All right, until next time, like, comment, subscribe.